Hello, everyone! Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure with our toy cars. Get ready to count from 1 to 15 as each car races down the track and makes a splash in the water. Let's start our journey. Number 1 takes the lead. Watch it zoom down the ramp and make a big splash. Next up, we have number 2, ready for a watery adventure. Off it goes, diving into the pool. Moving on to number 3, gliding down the track with elegance. And there it goes, into the water with grace. Number 4 is up next. See it speed down and make a joyful splash. Coming in at number 5, bringing a pop of color to the track. It's off to the races and into the pool it goes. Now say hello to number 6, racing down with confidence. Watch it take a leap into the water. Number 7 is ready to show off its style. And there it goes, diving into the pool with flair. Number 8 is prepared for a smooth ride. See it zoom down and make a serene splash. Say hello to number 9, adding a burst of energy to the track. Watch it speed down and take a leap. And now, let's welcome number 10, ready for an exciting plunge. Off it goes, making a splash. Numbers 11 through 15 are here to join the fun. Watch each one race down and dive into the pool with enthusiasm. Thanks for joining us on this amazing counting adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting learning experiences. See you next time.